Glenn Dumontel, and welcome to my cartooning channel. Hey, if you want to learn some simple steps on how to draw a cartoon face from the front, then quickly and easily let's learn this together. Let's hang around and let's work on this and see what we can do. Today I'm going to be drawing on an iPad Pro 12.9, and I'm going to be using a Procreate program. So that's a program that's made for cartooning and for drawing and stuff like that that can be used on an iPad. So I want you to follow along. If you don't have an iPad or an electronic device to draw on, no problem. You can use paper, same sort of thing. But just love to have you involved. Enjoy, and here comes the video. Well, welcome everybody. Today we're going to draw just a basic face from the front, just to kind of give you a basic idea of how we want to do it. So we're just basically going to start off with a shape like that. And so if you're working on I'm working on a Procreate, an iPad with Procreate, you can actually do this on paper too. So you're basically going to start off with a little bit of a hill, kind of like that, and then you're going to go to this spot here, and you're going to go all the way around to there. You're going to join those two pieces together. So you're going to bring that piece over to that piece there, okay? So you're going to bring those two pieces together, and we might even put down here a chin down in there, and then you're going to use an eraser just to take that out, like that, something like that there. And then we're going to put an ear on both sides, like that. An ear like that on this side. Okay. And then right in the middle, we're going to go with the nose. So you're going to make almost a circle, but not all the way around, only part ways. And then these are the nostrils on each side. And then two eyes. So we're going to make like an egg shape on one side, an egg shape on the other side like that. You're going to go around and around like that, and then we're going to go and we're going to put the eyelids. So you're going to put in two eyelids, and then underneath each of those you're going to put the eye. And so to make this really work or make it stand out, we want to fill this section in as much. You don't have to fill it all the way in. Leave a little bit of white there, and that's kind of the reflection on the eye. Okay, so is everybody keeping up? Are you able to get that? So we started with that shape, we went around, we put a little chin in here. You can still see that there, kind of erase that out. So if you got an eraser at home, just erase that out. We put a couple ears. We're going to put a nice happy smile there, just like that. And then the lip underneath. So this is just a happy face. We want our cartoons to be happy, so we're going to have a happy face there. And then we'll put just a little bit of a neck there on him. And then we got to kind of figure out what kind of hair do we want to put on this guy. So I think we'll just go with black right now. So we're maybe going to start right about here. And we're going to go like that. And then you're going to fill that in. So you can fill that in with your pencil or whatever you're using if you're using a marker. And then you're gonna go right over the top and then around kind of like that. And then you're gonna fill that in also. So we want to give him a nice haircut. So he's all dressed up and ready to go out. Now, two things that we forgot here is we have to put some eyebrows up here. So you can just go through space there, you put a couple eyebrows like that. So we're not going to build a whole lot more of this today. We might maybe do another part where we might do color, add color to it, so you can really watch for part 2 of this one here with the front facing, and we'll bring that up in another section. So hopefully today you got a good start with the shape, going around, adding the nose, the ears and the hair, something very basic, but to give you something to start with. Watch for further videos, and we'll help you learn how to draw other parts, specialize on eyes, maybe in noses and stuff like that too. So, all right, thanks for tuning in today. See you at the next one. Bye. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed cartooning with me today and had lots of fun. That's the idea of this, is just to keep it loose and have lots of fun, and with cartooning we can certainly do that. I'd love to have you leave some comments or drop some questions down below, just so I know what you're thinking, or if you've got some questions about something that we've done. And please like our videos. Please like them if you can, and also subscribe. That way then you'll know when we've got some more videos coming your way. We're just getting going. We're rolling on some good ones here. We'd love to be able to teach you how to be a good cartoonist, whether you're an adult or you're a child. So that way you get notified and you know when the next cartoon is coming, and that would be great. So have a great day and keep on smiling and keep on drawing. All right, we'll see you. Bye.